Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I've checked in Pearl Continental in Lahore, and I thought I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So I'm on the 8th floor and this is the executive lounge. So I'm just going to swap the camera now so you could have a look at the room as well. Alright. So as you enter, so that's the entrance, you enter from here and you've got the washroom right there. That's me. Hi there. Alright, so that's the shower. I've already put in my stuff there. And for this room, they actually have a bathtub as well. And here they have a bathrobe. Now that's kind of weird. Why would you actually have a bathroom floor mat just hanging right there? Like, I don't know. Yikes. Not attractive at all. Find a bit disgusting. Oh, and here they have an enclave, and they've got some hand towels and a hair dryer, and these are some of the amenities. They've got the body lotion along with whatever the kits they have, and then it's shampoo, conditioner, and I think this is the shower gel. Yeah, well, you won't be able to see it. So it's got like shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And I think they all like following the same fragrance. It's what does it say? I don't know if you could make out. It's lemongrass. So they're all kind of like following the same theme. And then they have the soap bar, which is, they claim that you could cleanse your face with it. Again, lemongrass. But I've got my own right there. Okay, so as we exit, so we're still kind of like in the entryway. We've got a full-length mirror, and you have like a small dresser style chair, and I've just kept my stuff there. They have here, okay, so this is like a quick tour of the room. It's very small and cozy. Just check out the size of this TV. That's like big. It's really big. So right here they have a TV cabinet. But you know what the disappointing thing is? They've got like a desk for you to sit and work, a corner chair, and here. So they've got some fresh fruits for you. They've got water for you as well. However, there are no amenities for you to make tea or coffee. Like if you check right here, this is minibar. And definitely, as you know, this is not complimentary. Whatever you're gonna use in the minibar will be charged. So that's quite disappointing that you can't actually have your own tea and coffee. And this is the inside of the wardrobe. They have an iron stand right there, some slippers, and that's about it. So I don't know, you tell me. Leave in the comments down below what do you think of the room, because you see that there are no options for you to make tea or coffee. So nothing. And I've got this because I've got my second shot, and I don't know, but I feel okay. So let me just swap back over. So I've got my second shot, and I feel after every shot like I feel drowsy, and I have like a sudden craving to have something sweet or to drink something, like juice or something with sugar content in it. So that explains the Dunkin' Donut and the Fanta. Alright, so that's the room tour. I will show you around the hotel as well, and give you a tour as well of the breakfast. Stay tuned. So I'm in the lobby right now. I'm just going downstairs for the breakfast. So let me show you. So this is the lobby. That is the executive lounge right there. And Oops. These are the elevators. Alright, let's see. Whoops. I have like phobia of heights. So let me try to capture this for you. So I'm on the 8th floor. That's the topmost. And this, oopsie. Oh, here we go. This is a view from the top. I'm like super scared of heights. So I think this is the maximum I can actually do. And it's all like glass. And it just gives me phobia that, you know, I'm standing here. It's like a feet away. And I still feel I'm gonna fall. That somehow, suddenly, all the floor is gonna give way, all the glass is gonna give way, and I would be down. So here's a view from the elevator. Chandelier. Sheer. So, and they've got some guidelines, and here we go. That's the security. Let me just record this. Alright, so this is the lobby where the reception is. You could see it's still quite early because it's like 7. And those were the elevators. Really scary. Alright, another water feature. Okay, they've got like a seating area over here, and that's a restaurant, Nadia. Also, they actually have Nadia in Pearl Continental along with oh, look at that. This is so cute. This is a farmer and he's cutting mangoes. Can you see that? And he's sitting on giant mangoes. How cool is that? Nice. You know, from far I thought it was maybe a teddy bear, but that's cool. Alright, so alright, they've got something down there as well. I don't know what that is. And there is, what is this? Cadillac 1939. Alright, let me show you the description if you are interested in reading. So you can just pause and do all the reading yourself. Alright, let me just give you a 360-degree view. So that's the Cadillac. Number plate. And here we go. I think that's the picture. Sadigara Palace, Bhavalpur. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna go in now. So that's the Marco Polo. I'm going to give you a quick view as well of the breakfast. So this is the restaurant. That's the buffet right there. I'll show you in a while, and we'll have some breakfast. Okay, so let me get started from here. So they've got like some donuts arrangement over here. They've got some nice collection of bread. Oh, all freshly baked. So these are different type of breads and croissant. You could have a toast over here. Some cereal. Oh, what is this? Okay, this is like the clay pot, and alright, they've got some desserts over here and fresh fruit. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Alright, that's the omelette. So what is this? This is grilled chicken. They've got chicken sausage. They've got boiled egg and hash brown potato. That's traditional. This is minced meat, and this is another traditional dish, which is the chicken nihari with the assortment. And oh, they have more here as well. So let's check it out. Oh, so I think like now it's all the traditional Pakistani items. This is another, which is chana. Those are chickpeas. This is potato, and those are Pakistani bread. That's hawa and puri. Again, all traditional. And this is something grilled. Oh, look at that! How cute is that? This is traditional lady making breakfast, and that's her stove right there. Those are her utensils. So cute. And some salads. Oh, another cute guy reading book on a tree, and his dog is sleeping. Oh, my hummus and all the other items. Yeah, you can see that. And oh, we've got some pickle and some sauces and some more items here as well. So just showing you the collection of what they have. Baked beans, I love baked beans, and Hirsch egg, omelets, and more breads. Okay, this is the omelet station. आप यहाँ पर omelets बनाते हैं या waffle, crepes?
French toast, pancake.
Oh wait, hold on. अब बताते हैं. Sorry, आप क्या बनाते हैं यहाँ पर?
French toast, pancake,
Okay.
and waffles.
Oh, okay. ठीक है. So he's the master chef, and you could ask him whatever you would like to have. So this is what he can make, and that's all his ingredients. Nice. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna take a plate and I'm gonna have breakfast now. Alright, ciao. And this is what I had for my breakfast. That's my plate. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, much love and God bless. Bye. Well guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, much love. God bless. Bye.